We found this on Google Earth and decided to go check it out. What the hell is that? Wow. So I was looking at one of our rock hounding sites on Google Earth and came across this thing that looked like a bunch of stuff and we had no idea what it was. So we decided to go check it out. Look at the gypsum in those rocks down there.
Yep.
Like, I remember seeing some on this side too. Look.
Oh, bridge is going up.
Oh, maybe we can get around to get a video of the boat.
Yeah. Well, we're almost there, so.
Oh, we're quite a ways away actually. We gotta go all the way down around the corner and over to there. Some of them go pretty fast in here. I was surprised.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So you should show them where we usually go rock hounding.
Yeah, right over there. You can see the piles.
Back in there. The trails for the dirt bikes and everything.
There's even like piles of rock right along this this path as well.
You can see 'em right there.
Yep.
I bet there's some
Probably is.
stuff in there.
I'm sure they're all the
Here's
rocks
an
from the
interesting
same
rock right
area.
here. Look at the stuff on the side of this rock. See underneath there? Underneath this side of the rock.
Yeah. Huh.
But try to flip that thing over. Maybe smash it off with Dad's hammer.
Yeah. You know, Dad's hammer is a pretty awesome hammer. Have we showed our viewers what Dad's hammer is and why it's called Dad's hammer?
Dad's hammer needs a new grip though. I think
Yeah.
I might put a hockey stick grip on it.
Not more duct tape?
No, hockey tape. I got some hockey tape someplace and I'll just do the hockey stick.
Oh, that was in the tape, the other bag of tape that we got from that one house.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, there's the rock piles right over there. You can see them.
We have no idea what this is all about. The
Yeah.
no trespassing signs, because this is the only place we saw them,
Yeah.
and we don't know what's going on. So
Yeah.
if anybody knows, let us know.
It says
please.
there's cameras and I don't see any
I
either.
don't see the cameras, but they may be starting to do something, or who knows? Who knows what's going on over here? It looks like they put in power for something.
Yep, there's piles of rocks right in here too.
Oh yeah, I never noticed those before.
Well, the
All the way
leaves,
along here, this whole
the
thing
leaf-
has piles of rocks.
yeah,
right?
the leaves are gone now and you can see some of
Yeah.
them. But it's all overgrown, so it's harder to get
Maybe
at them.
someday we'll have to get up in there. You know, the harder to get at stuff is good. It's going to be where the good stuff is.
Well, because nobody's gotten
Yeah.
to it yet. Look at this one. Is this just...
No, that thing got hit by the grinder that cuts this thing down.
Oh, okay, that's why it has those lines on it?
Yeah, the mower went over it. You can see the mower
Yeah.
went there, and he went, "Oops, I got to back up and go around over here." Like, look at the rocks piled up from the mower. Poor mower gets fucking damaged out here. I don't see any vehicles over here today.
It's Sunday. When we came the other day, it was a weekday.
Was it?
Yeah. The
No,
last time we
that
came...
wasn't the day we saw the vehicles. The day we saw the vehicles was a weekend.
Oh, was it?
Yeah. Okay, pause that thing and we'll let you know when we get close to where we're going.
Okay. We're on our way into the further down the rock dump.
I'm gonna pull up my map and we'll find exactly where that thing is we saw on the map, right? Yeah, just keep going straight back.
Yeah, let's have a look. See what we saw on the Google Earth.
So let me see the camera for a second. So here's what we're looking at. Here's what we saw on the map. This is where we are. So we got to go like straight that way, straight through there. So let's have a look. Here's the rock pile we're gonna dig in. Jennifer found some nice rocks here last time.
Yep.
And all around here you can see the rocks.
Yeah, it's all rocks. Little rocks are all just lining the ground here.
You brought your flashlight, right?
Yep.
I'm not sure if we should go that way. We should go this way. Walk around this way because
Yeah.
over here. Over here to the left. Look at the hole in the top of that rock. I'm gonna check that.
Yep.
We should look at these rocks as we're going around too. See if there's anything that looks cool. Trying to get back out on
The trail that's all beat
Look at
down.
this one right here.
Oh yeah.
There's some crystals inside that.
Yeah. Oh, there's more rock piles.
I think that's what might be on the map. Oh, it's over here, whatever it is. Concrete
Oh yeah.
Somebody already hit this one. Look. There's hammer. Here, this is what we can see.
Oh yeah.
What the hell is that? Wow.
So here's what we saw on the map. And it's just a bunch of concrete pieces from somewhere. Who knows where they're from? When they were making the canal. Let's go over here. So you can see them all over here. And from up above, it looks different than everything else. So that's what. Come on up. Come on. And they're big concrete blocks from something, probably something to do with the canal.
Please like and subscribe. It costs you nothing and really helps us a lot. We'll see you soon.